MultiForce remote placement kit consists of one 31-ton, 2-chamber, single input airbag, one 16-foot yellow hose, one 16-foot black hose, dual controller, pressure regulator, carry bag. Scenario is somebody trapped on the underside of that smaller vehicle. We're going to come in, we're going to chock the wheels of the smaller vehicle, we're going to stabilize the smaller vehicle, then we're going to ratchet strap the suspension down on the smaller vehicle, then come in with the remote placement MultiForce kit under the vehicle to lift the vehicle and stabilize as the vehicle goes up. Okay, attaching the ratchet strap, attach to the top of the wheel, insert your 4x4, take out the slack, and you're going to ratchet the suspension down. What the 4x4 does, it keeps the belt off of the glass. That way the belt will not get cut by broken glass, or if the glass is intact in the back, the belt will not pressurize and break the glass unexpectedly. Then we're going to set up for the MultiForce to do the lift on the car. For the person that's trapped, make sure the handle's down, tighten up your safety collar, make sure it's on, connect your hose to your controls, tightening up your safety collar, connect your air source, extend your handle, slide in place. Make sure your air source is on, and you inflate. Making contact. At this time, we'll need firefighters at each of the stabilization. There, you have it. I'm Nigel Letherby with Paratech. Thank you for watching. I hope it was useful. If you want to see more, please like or subscribe.